Hi, I'm Stephanie Baining, and I'm an early childhood curriculum specialist, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of diverse outcomes in the work young children create. And so first I want to talk about a lesson that does not produce diverse outcomes, and this is in relationship to when we teach the letter of the week, which I think is a great thing to do, and I am a big advocate for. But sometimes what happens is we'll focus on one word. And so like, for example, in teaching the letter A, everyone will make the same project of the same apple and using the same material. This does not produce diverse outcomes. And so what does produce diverse outcomes is introducing more, for example, A words, and that's what I'm going to focus on here. This is also focused on native English speakers, and I will be doing a future video that focuses on how to differentiate the same idea for dual language learners. And so basically, when you have children ages 3 to 4, you want to introduce a minimum of 4 words and a maximum of 8 words. And then children ages 4 to 5, you can introduce a minimum of 6 words and a maximum of 12 words, depending on their level. Also, visuals have to be introduced when you're introducing the vocabulary as well. And this helps to increase their understanding of phonics and understand that there's more than one A sound. And so how I recommend doing this is through a center-based approach. And now I'm going to describe 2 centers to you. One would use the words ant and alligator. I also recommend including a short phrase like the ant and alligator are friends. Read this with the students, include it at the center. Another example, ambulance and airplane. I saw an ambulance and airplane in my town. That could be an example. Read that with the students and include it at the center. I recommend a minimum of 3 centers a week, and these can be rotated throughout the week. And so each student has the opportunity to interact with a different center. Also, they can choose either 1 or more A words. Don't just limit them to the 2 at the center, but if they only want to do 1 and they spend a lot of time focusing on 1, that's fine too. They need diverse material at each center. So one center could be focused on drawing materials, another could be a small bookmaking material with collage, another tracing materials with collage images that they can cut out, and then also, like I said before, make sure there's visuals of the words at the table so that students can reference them. Finally, documenting the work through photographs and recording. This helps to create collaboration between teachers and the student, and then showing this documentation at the beginning of the next class, talking about it will increase students' vocabulary and understanding of phonics. Thanks.